Hello friends, in this video we'll be making this simple no-bake dessert. Please, I would appreciate it if you could support my channel by kindly subscribing, liking and commenting. We need very few ingredients for this recipe. I will be using these chocolate biscuits, but you can use any chocolate biscuits of your choice. In a bowl, add some milk, about 2 cups. In another bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of mascarpone, and half cup of white sugar. For extra flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, or the liquid form, just add 1 teaspoon. Whip on a medium-high speed for 5 minutes. When you are done whipping, it should look this creamy and luscious. It's time to assemble the dessert. You will need a pan that you can easily put in the fridge. Dip your cookies into the milk, one after the other, and layer it in the pan, just like I'm doing here. Add some of the creamy fillings on top of the cookies and spread evenly. Go in with your second layer of cookies. Then add the creamy filling. Go in with the third layer. Repeat the process until you've exhausted all your fillings. You will decorate by adding some crushed up cookies. Refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours. You can refrigerate overnight if you prefer. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. I would also like to read about your questions and your opinions and your recommendations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.